In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to transfer bookmarks from Internet Explorer over to Google Chrome. One, if it's on the same computer, or two, if the bookmarks are going to a different computer. So the first way to transfer bookmarks from IE over to Chrome is actually opening Chrome and then click on the three dots here. And then you go to bookmarks and then you go over to import bookmarks and settings. Once you do that, you're gonna go ahead and select Internet Explorer, and then you choose what you wanna import, and then click import and wait for it to finish, and then you click done. If you go over to your bookmarks, you're gonna see a folder here called imported from IE. Okay, so that completes if you're doing it on the same computer. If you're gonna transfer the bookmarks to another computer, then what you need to do is you need to go over to Internet Explorer, and then here anywhere on the available space over the tab section, you right click and you want to make sure the menu bar option is selected, and then you go over to file, and then you go to import and export. In here you want to select export to a file, click next. I'm just gonna go ahead and select my favorites only. In here I'm just gonna select the root folder, which is favorites. Okay, the location, I'm just gonna go ahead and click browse, and I'm just gonna put it on my desktop. Okay, so the biggest thing to remember here is to add a L at the end, because HTML files are what Chrome accepts, not HTML. So make sure your, whatever you name it, make sure it has a L for HTML there, and then click save, and then you click export, and then finish. Okay, so from here you will grab that file, put it on your USB drive, and then transfer it to the other computer. And then in the other computer, open Chrome, and then you will click again on the three dots, and then you go over to bookmarks, import bookmarks and settings. But this time you want to go ahead and select bookmarks HTML file, and then click choose file. From here, you want to select the bookmark.html file that we just exported from Internet Explorer, and then click open and wait until it finishes, and then click done. So now if you click your three dots here again, go to bookmarks. This time you're gonna see a folder called imported, and then all your links are gonna be there. Alright, so that's how you basically transfer bookmarks from IE over to Chrome. If you have any questions, leave your comment below and please subscribe.